my background is fucked up, but don't worry about it. All of this. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how I crimp my hair. So first, what I did was I had washed my hair like a few days ago, and I had put it in 2 cornrows, but they was messed up, so then I just twisted them. This hair is straight. If you buy straight hair, then I would recommend you to at least wet it with a spray bottle and braid it, because you kind of want the hair to be a little full. Don't judge my edges. So I bought a crimper. This is a golden hot crimper. Look at my crimper. Woo. This is how it looks. And it has 2 speeds. It has 2 speeds. 2 temperatures, low and high. And it goes up to 400. So I'm guessing high is that. And then the low is half of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to just section it off piece by piece. I'm going to start in the back first, just so the top doesn't fall by the time I get to the bottom. So we're going to do from the bottom up. We're going to start at the top. And I'm going to do with my thumb at the bottom, because just do it this way. And when you put it in, pause. Let me get up so you can see. So when we crimp like this, you have to follow the crimp. So you can leave it on for a few seconds. Like the one, can't really see, but you follow the crimp. Like wherever the last one was, you don't want to go over it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it. You leave it for a few. Yo, my double chin is ODing right now. And then you just go to the next one. If you bought like a water wave and you was trying to blend your hair, you can get a crimper, crimp your leave out. And I love it. It reminds me of a nice deep wave hair. And yeah, and I actually brush it out with my paddle brush. Everybody could afford bundles. If you got like a straight hair from your local beauty supply store and you wanted to like experiment and get like a deep wave virgin hair, you could use a crimper. It's so small. I remember back in the day, it used to be like the old flat irons, the big ones. But I love it. It's so small, and yeah, and it gave me these looks. My hair is really long. Like it's all the way down. So it took me a very long time. Yo, I'm really sitting here with no eyelashes on. I have put my eyelashes on the side. I'll be right back. I'm back. I really was talking to y'all without any eyelashes on. That's so weird. This is how it looks. This is the end result. And you can add spritz if you want, but I kind of wanted it to look like naturally like this. So, yeah, I didn't add any spritz to it. You should buy a crimper too, and you like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.